Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is me. I tried making chin chin, and this is after I've cut it to my desired shape and everything. And this is how it looks like the raw picture of it. So we have to put it on fire inside the oil. Take a good look at that stir. This is it. You give it a stir, and then when you feel that it's brown to your desired color and everything, you bring it out and you allow it to cool down and take a good look at it. So crunchy. You don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss out on this day. So thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.